Hello driving intelligence community. For those of you looking for a way to remove your headrest from your 10th generation F150, here it is. This is the button that allows you to adjust the headrest up and down. But if you notice, there's another button right here that you only need to use when you're trying to remove the headrest. Once you've depressed it, you just pull the assembly out. To reinstall, you just push it in and it's set, it's locked in. Pretty simple. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I'd love it if you'd subscribe, and please comment below on this video or any other videos you'd like to see on any vehicle. I've been trending on the F150s since I've been doing a lot of projects on this particular 2002 version. But I have worked on many other cars. Let me know what you need.